The Sensex climbed nearly 4% in April. After the Trump tariff scare, mutual fund returns are back in the reckoning. And now there is more good news for the small investor. A decision by the Finance Ministry has made filing income tax returns much easier. The new income tax forms, notified by the Central Board of Direct Taxes for financial year 2024-25, for which tax returns have to be filed by July end, has made life simpler for those with smaller investments in equities. A new ITR1 or Sehaj form has been notified, which includes long-term capital gains of up to 1,25,000 rupees, which are exempt from income tax under Section 112A introduced in 2024. The form can be filled by those having total income of up to 50 lakh rupees. The income could be from salary, one-house property and other sources like bank accounts or fixed deposits. Those with agriculture income of up to 5,000 rupees can also fill the ITR1. What's important is to remember that individuals with short-term capital gains or gains from selling house property are still not eligible to fill this return. These individuals will still need to opt for ITR2. Also, any LTCG above 1.25 lakh rupees will need to be declared in ITR2 and will attract a tax rate of 12.5%. A similar provision has been made for ITR4 as well, which now includes long-term capital gains under Section 112A of up to 1,25,000 rupees. The ITR4 also includes income from business and profession computed under Sections 44AD, 44ADA and 44AE. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.